And now it is Thursday, so that means we are back in Lynn Matava's kitchen. Lynn is a nutrition educator with the University of Maryland Extension. And if you're looking for an easy and vegetarian recipe fit for those with diabetes, or pre-diabetic, then Lynn has the recipe for you. Let's check out how to make vegetable and black bean quesadillas.
Today we're going to do a recipe from our Dining with Diabetes curriculum, which is a program that we offer at the University of Maryland Extension to people who have diabetes or are at risk of having diabetes. And really, the recipe we're about to make is something that's nutritious and delicious and anyone will enjoy. But we will be having lots of these programs around the state, so keep an eye out for them. Today I'm going to show you how to make a vegetable and black bean quesadilla. So this is a wide array of vegetables. What we're going to use today to make this is 2 teaspoons of vegetable oil or some sort of spray, a ½ cup each of zucchini, yellow squash, red pepper and onion, a cup of black beans, a ½ cup of salsa, 4 ounces of sharp cheddar cheese or the cheese of your choice, a cup of cooked broccoli, and this could be fresh or frozen, whatever you have on hand, 4 8-inch whole wheat or low carb tortillas, and a little bit of, I've got an avocado we're going to divide up into 4 different servings, and we also have a tablespoon of cilantro and a ¼ cup of lime juice going into this recipe. I'm going to put a little bit of spray in my pan that's been heating up, and I'm going to add to it our zucchini, our squash, our red pepper, and our onion. And already that is so colorful and bright and just so pretty in our pan here. And while that's starting to heat, we are going to start working on the other portion of our filling with our beans. So I've got this cup of low salt black beans that has been rinsed, and we're going to dump this into our bowl. And now I'm just going to take a masher, a potato masher. If you don't have one of these, feel free to use like a slotted spoon or something like that. Or you could even use like a giant serving fork. But the bottom of a mug would even work if that's all you've got. To the beans, we are going to add our lime juice, which I'm using fresh. You can use this stuff out of a jar. And then we're going to add our salsa, our cheese, and our cooked broccoli. And then that is going to be all mixed together. Coming back over to our vegetables, I'm just going to give them a stir. They only need about 2 minutes total. While we're waiting for the vegetables to cook, I'm going to slice up this avocado. So I've already sliced it in half, and then I'm just going to put a knife in there, put my hands away from it, and kind of divide that into 4 slices on each side. Same with the other half. And these are going to be served on the side. Scoop them out. My avocado is slightly brown here, but that sometimes happens. And then I'm also going to chop up our tablespoon of fresh cilantro. And I'm just pulling some of the leaves without the stems. Toss that into our mix. And now these have been cooking for about 2 minutes, our veggies here, so these are going to go directly into our bowl here. So we're going to mix all of these ingredients together. And it's so bright and colorful. It smells so delicious in here. And then we're going to take our whole wheat or low carb tortilla, and we are going to put this, divide this by 4. So we're going to divide this by 4, And I've got one side here, and then I'm going to put our quesadilla right here in the pan. And that's just gonna take a minute or two per side. And what we've got in here is all sorts of healthy and delicious vegetables full of fiber. We've got the beans that have all the protein that's gonna help keep us full. Of course, the cheese is gonna hold it all together. And what we end up with is a really delicious vegetarian option. And this is going to make 4 servings. So we're going to continue filling with toppings until all the tortillas have been used up. And then you can serve this to a family of 4, or you can even have leftovers to take with you for lunch. So I hope you try this one and let us know what you think. Enjoy.
Now, as a reminder, we do have all of Nutrition Educator Lynn Matava's tips and tricks on our website. To find them, just log on to 47abc.com and click on the Good Morning Delmarva page.